Hi, I am RJ Mapaling.
I am John Polubic.
I'm Amel Obrero.
I'm AJ Dinostres, and we are
Room 4 Fortitude.
Let's talk about the list of things that we need for our Project 5, the RGB LED. Here we have our RGB LED, 4 pieces of jumper wires, 3 resistors, our mini breadboard, the Arduino Uno board, as well as our USB cable.
This is the source code for the Arduino Project 5, which is the RGB LED. First, we will declare the variables here, which is the red pin, and the data type is integer, and we will set the digital pin of red pin to digital pin 9, and for the blue pin, same with the red pin, it is also a integer data type, and we will set the pin to digital pin 11. And for the green pin, it is also a integer data type, and we will set the pin to digital pin 10. And next is we will go to void setup, which is we will set up the pins and the mode, whether it is input or output. But for this project, we will set the mode for each pin to output. And then next, for void loop, we will call the function set color that will produce the color values. First, we need to go to void set color function to tackle each color values. First, we will make for each color a value variable for it to store the values corresponding to their color pins using the analog write. So here it is the set color function. Then we declare 3 variables. First one is the red value, and the data type is integer. And next one is the blue value, and the data type is integer. And the last one is for the green value, and it is also a integer data type. Next we will analog write it, and the corresponding variable or the pin that we will use. Example, for the number 1 is the red pin, and the corresponding value is for the red value. The next one is the blue pin, and the corresponding value is the blue value. And for the last one will be the green pin, and the corresponding value is the green value. And now for the void loop, where we loop the main logic, we will call the set color, and then we will put the values 255 first, then 0 0, and the color that will produce or output will be the color red. And we will set a delay 1 second for the red LED, for the red LED to turn up, and the green LED to turn on. So the next one is for the green, call the function set color, then 0, then 255, then 0. That will output the green value or the green color. Then we will set the delay to 1 second for the green LED to turn off, and the blue LED to turn on. Then the last one is for the set color 0 0 255. It will output the blue value or blue color. Then we will set a delay to 1 second for the blue LED to turn off, and the red LED to turn on again. Then this will loop forever and ever again. That's all.
Now that we have connected our Arduino Uno to our laptop, we can see that our code is working properly. because the RGB LED is showcasing the colors that we've inputted, red, green, and blue.